Jermaine, what's the best way to give an offer verbal or written to be more effective? Written for sure. I mean, you want to sit down with them, knee to knee, belly to belly, face to face, if you can. If you have to do it verbally, then I would make sure that either way, the offer has to be signed for you to have anything. It has to be an agreed. It has to be a executed contract. An executed contract. So you need to have the signature of the seller to be able to do that. And so if you're going to do it just verbally or virtually, make sure that you do it through like a DocuSign or e-signature. You send it to them, and then you keep them on the phone, and you talk to them as you're going through the contract. If you don't, it's going to go into the abyss. You're going to be nervous about it all the time, and you're not going to get as many contracts signed. So I would send it virtually and get on the phone with them. And I would say, Mr. or Mrs. Seller, as a professional courtesy, I would like to walk you through the contract, make sure that you understand everything so that we can get it done and we can open up escrow and we can get this problem solved.